Yeah. Let's go down. Let's go to the light. Yeah. Oh yeah, they're kind of like mustard seeds. Yeah, very, very cute. Oh yeah, I love that scarf. Cutie. All right, so picking this spot because we got these pretty baddies for the holiday. Love it.
Yeah.
Oh, I wanted some closer up of like just your hands and the coziness, like, you know. I'm not sure what a selfie looks like, so we're gonna find out. Yep. Just gonna do both. Perfect.
Cute.
Yep. Absolutely the hat. I love it. Yes. Yes. What shoe? Oh, you got, oh yeah, of course, because you're a baddie. All right, we got, whoa, right in front of the camera, girl. Wait, you go on the other side. You go on the other side. Who wore it better? Oh, you're so much taller.
I know.
All right, super cute little look. We're out here. Look at this. It's crazy. Cute. Perfect. The jacket. Where?
I think I'm gonna do jacket and scarf.
Yes, love it. Are you thinking? I'm thinking either pines or berries. Okay.
I do like. It's too short. I need a mirror. You want horizontal though?
Yeah, definitely need to get horizontal. Well, we got a problem. We got stuck with. Oh man, that's a lot. Oh, that's a lot of them. Oh, that's a lot,
baby. This is the same ones I got in my sweater.
Oh my God, where did they come from?
Down. That bush right here.
Yes. Oh yes.
Come to my house. I will eat you. You want me to hold a gift?
I actually thought about that too.
No, you didn't.
Yes, agreed. 100%. Brown is the move.
It's kind of cute, the layering.
I agree. Cute.
Cutie.
Yeah. 20 years later. All right.
Go.
Where to? I gotta check the light. Oh.
The coffee pot.
Yeah, we definitely can move the coffee pot.
And then maybe it's like cute.
Okay. Perfect. Perfect. And then I'm just gonna come a little closer to get.
Watching my sound bites as me talking shit. But this is like.
She looks so cute. Oh my God. So cute. The vibe. Your aura. Oh yeah, that's fine. I'll hang them. And what'd you say you were thinking? Scarf and...
Maybe do boyfriend's denim, but
oh
I
yeah.
want to do...
I was thinking you could do that too. I was thinking we'd do this in the house, maybe? Kind of a comfy, cozy. All right, we're going boyfriend denim jacket.
Should have ordered this in a large.
I was going to say this is for having a small boyfriend. Maybe.
This is if your boyfriend's in middle school.
Maybe your middle school boyfriend. Middle school boyfriend denim jacket. I definitely love that scarf. Oh, she's so pretty.
This one I might be able to do that.
It's so cute. It's like tone on tone.
So she does love that kitchen. So
I love the kitchen.
Like, with a magic kitchen when you sit on the counter.
Okay, let's do that.
Maybe get mud on the counter.
Okay. All right, we're gonna talk this through. She's
Can you give me my mug?
she's waiting on her boyfriend.
My little boyfriend.
On her middle
My middle school boyfriend.
school boyfriend. Wait, where did the bird? Oh, here. Got a bird mug. I'm just thinking the scarfs. I like the scarf like on you, but like not so hardcore, you know? Yeah, all right, so, all right, this is our scene. She's snowed in and so cold.
And her heater went out.
And her heater went out, so she's close to the window to get warmth from the sun.
Cozy up, baby.
Oh yeah, I like it.
Cozy. Peace and leopard and stripe and
Probably just a tree.
oh my god, it was like witchy in there. Did you get that on camera? Like berry can only be shot like one way though.
Yeah, but the sun changed, so let's see. But I do agree.
Okay. I get my license plate, but I don't think you'll see it.
Trying to get what? She looks wintry to me. We'll just chat GPT up. Okay. Cute. Cute. All right, let's go horizontal.
Patrols?
Yeah, that's a wrap.
Patrols?
Yes. Time for the weekend. Can you even see him?
Screech.
Crawls on your toe.
Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Get him! You got him. Damn, that was some teamwork right there.